A titration is a lab procedure for quantitative analysis that is used to determine the concentration and molarity of an unknown acid or base. It is used because it is highly precise and accurate. To prepare before the titration, you will need the mole of KHP, the molarity of NaOH, and the molarity of citric acid. After collecting your data, you will be able to determine the standard deviation of the experiment and the molarity of citric acid.
Before starting this procedure, the burette will need to be primed. To do this, rinse the burette with distilled water and then rinse it with 5 to 10 milliliters of NaOH. Repeat the rinsing with NaOH 3 times before performing the experiment. Is it good?
Yes. This is sodium hydroxide, 10 milliliters of it. We're about to put it in here to wash it out. So the only thing in here is sodium hydroxide.
Additionally, before performing the experiment, you will also need to record your initial amount of sodium hydroxide, or NaOH, present in the burette. To read and record the volume using a burette, you will lower yourself to eye level with the meniscus of the solution. By reading the lower dip of the meniscus, you will record the volume to 2 decimal points.
To start the experiment, an indicator will be added to the analyte. You will then add the titrant NaOH to the analyte, making sure to swirl the analyte to mix the solutions. Slowing when the analyte begins to display a pink color. The endpoint of the titration will be observable when the analyte remains a faint pink color for the 30 seconds of swirling the flask.
At the end of each of the trials, you will need to record the remaining volume of titrant present in the burette. You will do this by reading the meniscus and recording the volume to 2 decimal points as previously explained.
From our data, we were able to calculate that the molarity of citric acid has an average of 0.00512 molar, and the standard deviation of the molarity of citric acid is 2.3119 times 10 to the negative fourth.